Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Assured Extra Strength Cold and Hot Pain Relief Medicated Patch. Yes, okay, these patches are for when you have a soreness, like a pain in, say, your back or anywhere, like your arm or anywhere that is kind of sore from you doing some kind of activity, some kind of, maybe you've been walking a long time, or you're stretching too hard, or you've just had a hard day and that one muscle is really getting to you. Like when I've been using cold and hot patches for a very long time because when I was younger, I used to play basketball. Almost every night I would have like a calf that needed support, or elbow, well, not elbow, but like my back arm or my shoulder or something like that, because, when you're playing hard and you're playing to win, you're going to have pain. There's a price for all of that. So, yeah. In this pack, you get 2 patches, okay? And they're adhesive, and you just kind of just stick them on. What happens is, see, I'm trying to touch it with just the corners because it will it will get on you, okay? See, they're about this big, yeah, each patch, and you stick it on your sore muscle, and you put it on there, and you will feel the cold come and then the hot, one at a time, and it gets in there and it will make you feel a lot better. I mean, it's a temporary thing. I mean, if you have a really hard pulled muscle, I mean, it's gonna probably come back until it heals. But for the moment, like say if you want to feel better or you're trying to rest or something, that will feel like a nice massage on that pain. And what happens is it has this menthol hot therapy for the pain that gets on there and gets into that tissue and really helps to soothe that deep down pain. I mean, if you can't go out and get a massage, this is the next best thing. It has vitamin E in it and aloe to help with the soothing and everything. Oh boy, yeah, I mean, if you have never tried anything like this, you should really try, and just to, see what you think about it, because I tried it and I like it. It really helps a lot. It has the natural menthol, gives you that hot therapy, gets in there to that deep down muscle tissue and gets in there and, makes you feel a lot better. Now, the only downside to this is, I mean, it has all these great qualities and all these things that it can do, but the only downside is it smells really strong. Really strong. It smells like menthol, like a strong odor of menthol, and that makes it a little uncomfortable if you're trying to relax and you have this on you. It's better to have it on your back than, say, on your shoulder where it's right near your face. So you can imagine how that must be. It's like having that vapor rub on you, but it smells stronger than that. It's a very strong smell, but I think it kind of has to be in order to get down into that muscle tissue and do its job. It can't be this little prissy, chemical that just does nothing other than, you know, rub you down like a lotion. This gets in there and you feel the hot and the cold, and it really, really works. Really does. And it's very economical, and you get 2 in a pack. It's really good. I've used it for a long time. Now, like I said, the only downside is that it smells. But hey, if you want to feel good, you do what you got to do. And you can use 2 at a time. I mean, you put one on your back or one on your leg or shoulder, arm, you know, that's fine. It's just, you got to deal with the smell. When you're done, you take a shower and throw those packs away, because you don't want your house to smell like that, because it will smell in the house. You'll smell it. Okay, well, that's the Assured Extra Strength Cold and Hot Pain Relief Medicated Patch. That's right, the Pain Relief Medicated Patch. All right, guys, I hope you use this information, and I will see you again soon. All right, bye-bye.